Samek. I just tried to find this fish restaurant that I was recommended. Oh, wow. This is like the best fish I've ever had in my life. No joke. Hey guys, I'm at a fish restaurant here in Aswan. Check it out. I just tried to find this fish restaurant that I was recommended by Gandhi, the owner over at Go In Backpackers. Stopped at a coffee shop and he has joined me and been explaining things, and the restaurant was around the corner, so we're here now. So he was just telling me that they cut the fish over there. Wow. Professional. Desora. Wow. Careful. Hey. Wow. Skills. Wow.
This is very famous fish.
Oh, spaghetti?
Yes, it's from Nile.
Oh. Wow. That is amazing. Bravo. شكرا كثير. Famous fish. Wow, guys. All right, cool. So, hey, they clean the fish over there.
Sit down here. Yeah, this is you must see who's the manager.
Oh, I guess it's gonna go over there and make a video.
This is the manager.
Oh, wow.
And his son.
Oh.
This son.
It's real.
مقلي سفرة بإذن الله يا عينيا يا خد 2 كيلو. انتوا جايين كم نفر؟ هتاخدهم تكوي يعني؟ عاوز معاهم حاجة؟
That's his pet.
4 طحين
Wow, can I pet it? Can I pet it?
Yes. ربع ساعة كده من عسكري.
Oh, wow. Cool. And this is where they're cooking the fish.
Go there.
Okay, tamam, yeah.
عايز تصور انت على تليفونك؟ This is the chef. You can take photo for him. You take it?
I have not. He's on the phone though. I won't bother him. All right, let's go see where it's getting cooked.
Here's the thing.
Wow. Smells good. Looks delicious. Wow.
This is the chef. All This is all the chef and stuff of the how to make the fish.
This looks good, guys. I'm definitely getting some fish.
You can go. You can go. No, no problem. We take photo from here.
This one, okay, and they're frying the stuff back here. Okay, cool.
I've seen everything.
شكرا كثير. حلوة جدا.
This is the captain of the restaurant.
أمريكا.
أمريكا. You're welcome.
شكرا كثير.
Assistant chef.
assistant chef. سعيدة.
This is the captain of the restaurant. He takes the food from here to the restaurant.
Very nice. شكرا. تمام. يلا بينا. عايزة سمك.
We take the order from
تمام تمام. It smells good back here. شكرا. السلامة.
في عندك حاجة في برج؟ ملكة.
Oh.
Big one. You are lucky.
There's a big, like, what is this, pelican? What is the name of this bird? I don't even know.
I think so, pelican.
Oh. Hi. You are big. I'll stay away from you.
No from here. يا معلم. يا
Oh, okay here. Oh, look at that big. Hey, la 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 la. Oh, he's territorial. This guy is like that. All right, now we're going to the restaurant, sitting down. I'll order. Do you have a recommendation for fish?
Yes. You have seen everything.
Yes.
So now you have menu here.
Oh.
You can choose what you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Grill or...
But if you have a recommendation, because I don't really know fish, do you like maybe a certain fish that I should try? Like سمك ايه انا ما اعرفش ولا هذا سمك
سمك بلطي.
بلطي is good تمام تمام okay
Like to stay here or outside? We have here this. دقيقة حنصور
صور ماشي عشان
أنا قلت للمدير.
ما فيش مشكلة هنا أصور هنا؟
No problem.
تمام شكرا.
First inside and then back.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm gonna be outside. إيه؟ Oh, YouTube. حلو جدا.
حلوة جدا جنبها فندق حلوة جدا.
شكرا.
Captain.
Okay. Yeah, let's sit outside.
في منو بالإنجليزي؟ لا. As you like.
Leila, henna. Okay. So we've got a table. Get some fish.
So you are very lucky.
Oh, I agree with that. I'm very, very happy.
You like this our life.
أنا مبسوطة.
Because all the people is very interested to you.
Very, very kind, very great. I'm excited for this fish. سمك. سمك or سمك?
سمك.
سمك. سمك.
Fish.
جديد كلمة. What do you recommend? Let's see.
Cheap one.
Cheap one?
Yeah, cheap one for you.
So we have
Bulky, I think.
shrimp.
I bring you another one by Arabic for you.
Oh.
Because I would like to learn you Arabic.
Oh. I can't read Arabic, guys. I'm learning the alphabet. That's it. So reading, writing. I'll look at the English menu. Prices are in Arabic, even if it's in English. So this is 150 for a kilogram of booty. I don't know what booty is.
This one I really know. This is jambari.
Gambari?
No.
Oh, that's shrimp, though. What about fish? So do you have like a favorite fish? Something fresh from the Nile.
Yes, yes. This one. This is very good.
This one. Either. Let's see, is this
Bulky, مشوي.
the candy? I can't read that.
60 pound.
60? Okay. That's not that much. Half kilo. Is that tilapia? Hold on. Yeah.
What you bulky?
This one? Half kilo fried tilapia.
This one.
This one or this one?
This one. 60.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do that.
Grill.
Yeah, grilled. No oil.
No oil.
Yeah, grilled. Yeah. Because that's fresh, you know.
So I do remember now, right? From the hustle.
Oh yeah, hi, how are you? Your English is amazing.
Okay.
Good to see you.
I know it from your motorbike. I was parking my bicycle.
It's like, hey, I know that bike.
Exactly that.
Good to see you.
Captain.
It's a
Kilo.
kilo tilapia meal.
مشوي.
مشوي جريل
Yes, grill.
Okay, 1 kilo,
Oh.
2 fish,
Yep.
2
Yeah.
pieces or one.
I don't know, whatever a kilo
As you
ends up
like.
being.
As you like.
I don't.
بس grill.
كلم عربي كلم عربي انت عربي.
لا انا مش فاهمه كثير عربي، انا بحاول بس. اثنين
سمك فيه.
تمام، شكرا كثير.
انا بقى
ماشي شكرا كثير.
ظبط المسائل.
لا ظبط.
قريبنا ماي فاميلي.
شكرا كثير.
كله تمام؟
ايوه.
طفايه عايزه طفايه انت لازم طفايه.
Tafaya. Alright, tafaya means ashtray in Arabic. So we're getting the grilled shrimp, fish, tilapia, I think, fresh from the Nile. I'm excited. And just went to this guy's coffee shop and now we're here. Fun times though. I like these kinds of experiences, so do not mind buying a little fish. No problem. Okay, I guess I will wait for him to come back and see you guys in a little bit.
Check lemon.
Oh, all right, guys, the food has arrived. Look at this
He
spread.
told me eat by your hand.
Oh, you can show me how it's done. Okay, look at this fish.
Very nice.
And this is salsa, spicy actually, like actually spicy, which I love, as you guys might know. So very excited. Yalla, let's try it. Just comes off like that, huh?
But be careful.
A lot of bones or no?
Want lemon?
Oh,
Lemon.
wow. Ah, limon.
Lemon is very nice.
Ah, yeah, lemon with fish is always delicious. Oh, shukran. Okay. I don't know if this is like pointed down enough. Huh? Okay, now I know for the bones, to check for the bones. Nice. I don't eat very much fish in my life.
What?
Because I grew up in a place not close to the sea or any.
No, when you eat our fish, you eat every time.
Yeah, no, it's delicious, but you do have to be careful for the bones. Lemon, always delicious. Actually, I should probably try it first, just without anything. Wow. You got something? Oh, here. Wow, this is so good. Oh, delicious, you guys. Amazing. That is so good, without even lemon or anything. I love this.
Bismillah. Bread.
Oh, كله تمام. No, it's okay.
Try one down.
تمام.
Right.
I'll try it with tahina. Wow, this is thick. This is thick, baladi. شكرا.
Very nice.
That is good tahina.
Want lemon? Very good. Very nice.
Yeah, okay. I've not done that before.
You know.
That is good. شكرا كثير. Wow, that is amazing. Let's try it with the spicy. That is spicy. I'm impressed. Yes.
هلا والشفا.
Hey?
بالهنا والشفا.
The henna was shifa.
With good healthy.
Oh, the henna was shifa. Tamam. I learned a new word.
هنا والشفا.
Hey?
بالهنا
That henna
والشفا.
was shifa. That henna is like here. Henna here.
Good healthy for you.
Oh, that henna was shifa. حلوة جدا. Yeah. It's very good. Wow, you guys, this is so fresh, so delicious. From the Nile, right?
Yes. You like green salad?
لا كله تمام شكرا. Yeah. So just have to watch out for the bones, but they're easy to come out, and wow, I really never, this is like the best fish I've ever had in my life, no joke. So highly recommend coming here, you guys. I'm just gonna enjoy eating this and turn the camera off, but thanks for following along. I'll give you guys the prices of this in the end. I think the menu said 60 for fish, but we'll find out. You know, the 10% charge and all that. But أيوة حلوة جدا شكرا كتير. Watch my other videos, stay tuned for what's coming next, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for being in my video.
Welcome. Welcome.
مع السلامة.